we grabbed this because our son's going off to college here soon. It's going to be on the East Coast, and on the East Coast they have EZPass a lot of places. So we ordered him an EZPass. It's not here yet, but I figured I'd show you this holder because, well, it's handy. It's really simple design. It comes with 4 suction cups on the back, and those stick to your windshield right up by your rear view mirrors, where what we saw on the internet says it's supposed to be. There's Velcro strips right here to help hold it on. And they're like, I don't know how to describe them. They're kind of a plastic Velcro, a little different than normal Velcro, stronger. And then what you do is you peel these off and you stick them on the back of the EZPass itself. And then obviously it just attaches like so, and then it hangs from your windshield. It's, like I said, a simple design, but definitely very handy. Then you don't have it floating around on your dashboard or somewhere inconvenient. So we're going to get this, once the EZPass arrives for him, he's going to get this and it'll go on his car and he'll be all set. Okay, so I'm in my car, and this is how this goes. They show it right about there, and then you just push it down tight. There you go. And then you're, see, and that's on there good. I'm pulling on it as hard as I can. Then you just attach the EZPass right here, and it's right behind your mirror, out of your line of sight for driving and everything, so you shouldn't get in trouble. But yeah, that's how that works. It's super simple, and once we have our EZPass, he'll be all set.